about to the role of the teachers and the parents in our life. The most important role in our life that they provide the anything of the luxury. They had if they had any poor, if they had lived in a poor life, that they were convert better understood that my son have not struggle about this life, that I have better arrangement for that. And 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 our every parents know about her son. He's the eyes of the star, and the part of the heart that and I also, and in my opinion, that they and I always worship for her. He's God for me. He's God for me, as that they can do anything for me. And then I tell some story of that behind that. And last Friday I went out for my friends that, and my friends, they have no money for that. They were
Spend
they spend the money for the any medicals. They collect them. And but the situation that I went on the coffee shop, that I have not money for that. And I with the friends, but I am very helpless to pay the total fees. And I have just opinion that I call her father to take some money of them to pay her the coffee shop bills. That I'm very helpless to ask her father, but I take a very struggle for that. Because I came back from the home, then he wait for me. Then I struggle. Then I help from the father. Then he said how much cost I paid that. Then I told that please pay for the 1,000 rupees. Then he paid. Then he paid for her. Then this can do. The parents are needed in their life. There is a parcel of life. Then in the beginning, from the childhoods, that they were taught. They were story of that. The mother had to strive her to serve her. They were kept in the stomach from the 9 months old. They were take a hard struggle for us. Then they take a hard pain from them. And from the father, they went out for the battle. They provide anything for us, that to make a good arrangement and make a luxury of a life. Then according to the father, that they saw that the place that then they saw that place that I went on the head that they thought that there I saw there then her son saw they mostly upon them. मतलब वहाँ तो मैंने देखा, वहाँ तो
He will go ahead than me.
he will go
Ahead than me. Meets again.
ahead than me. Then everyone know about her family members and her parents, the role of the important. Most of the things that behind that there is very important. According to the teacher, that the parents are the good faith of the teachers, that to make an educated person, to give a high position from them. They convert their lives from the poor to rich peoples. And they do not make any type of problem can they were live. And the teachers have to give the student for the true knowledge about the life and the career of the. And they were teach the so many samajik, so many social things that they can live. And they convert our mind to the religions and and they were said that it is the most important thing that for their life. It is. And without doing anything, they can't live in their world. And everyone know that if the parents are not in our life, that we are not came in the world. That it is the most important things that in this opinion, and it is that is my opinion from the parents and the teachers life. Thank you very much.